The following message has been transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm has indicated that it is going to hit in some cities, which includes San Francisco, Anaheim, Phoenix, Los Angeles, Dallas, Austin, New York, Newark, and Philadelphia until at 10:15 p.m. on Tuesday night. The National Weather Service reported that the severe thunderstorm named the Vancouver storm, it has blue lightning, dark blue clouds, and a blue severe rain. Take cover immediately. If you're not, this is the end for you as the lightning will kill you. Again. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm has indicated that it is going to hit in some cities, which includes San Francisco, Anaheim, Phoenix, Los Angeles, Dallas, Austin, New York, Newark, and Philadelphia. Stay tuned for the upcoming updates for this alert. We interrupt your TV for a Barney error. Barney didn't listen to the EAS alert and he was killed by the Vancouver storm. Whatever you do not turn off your TV or else you have to pay the $25 fine for disrespecting the emergency alert system. You've failed to listen to the Barney error. And now you must pay the $25 fine. You've never listened to Barney about turning off your TV. I've warned you not to turn off your TV. But
you're grounded for years. Now I will square you right now.
I'm sorry, but your TV has been crashed because of Barney. Wait for 6 days, and then you will use the TV again. Hey, how dare you turn off your TV? Now you got 5 days. Again. You're disrespecting the emergency alert system. Now you got 4 days. Look, I know you hate the emergency alert system or a Barney error, you know. I hate them too. But please wait. Now you got 3 days. Oh. You turned off your TV 4 times now. Now you got 2 days. Okay. You know what? If you turn off your TV one more time, then the Vancouver storm will hit Denver, Colorado. Now you got 1 day left. Okay. You know what? It. I'm so done with you. Good luck being hit with a Vancouver storm in Denver, Colorado. I'm out.